Hello learners, welcome to your favorite e-learning platform Pathshala. I'm Savita Chauhan, your mathematics mentor. Let's just start a new chapter today called as the surface areas and the volumes. So let us suppose if I am just drawing up this particular figure over here. So as you can see that if I have just drawn this figure on this particular plane, then I can call this a type of a figure as nothing but a plane figure. And similarly, if you will draw such type of a figure on your notebook, then that such figure is nothing but called as a plane figure. So we all are already aware about such kind of the figures. As you can see, this is nothing but a rectangle. So we already have come across with such type of plane figures which are nothing but of the form rectangles, squares and many more such other figures as well. So let us suppose if we'll just perform an activity, and in a similar way we can say that if I'll just cut out these plane figures from a particular cardboard of the same size and of the same shape, and if I'll just stack them up in a vertical pile, so what figures should be obtained, or what are the things that we can obtain? Those figures, or we can say the things that we will get at the end as a solution, they are nothing but called as the solid figures. For an instance, if I'm just talking about this particular cylinder, if I'll just cut out a circle or a circular figure from a cardboard, and if I'll just stack them up in such a particular vertical manner, then I can obtain this solid figure, which is nothing but called as a cylinder. So this is nothing but a cylinder. Now furthermore, in the same way, I can obtain this particular cuboid by just cutting a cut out of a cube from a cardboard. So this is nothing what we get at the end or at the end result of the activity. So we already are aware about the surface areas and the areas of the plane figures, which is nothing but rectangle, or if I'm just talking about a square. Now we are just moving on further towards such type of the solid shapes, in which I am now going to talk about the surface area and the volumes of such a type of solids, which is nothing but a cylinder, a cuboid, a cube and many such other things. So let's just start with the very first concept.